Hi everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I am Naveen. In today's video, I'll show you the top 5 WordPress gamification plugins for your community website that can transform passive visitors into active, engaged community members. So let's get started. Before that, we have to know what is gamification plugin. A gamification plugin adds game mechanics, points, badges, levels, leaderboards to your WordPress site. It automatically rewards users for actions like logging in, commenting, purchasing, or completing a course, and the results speak for themselves. Brands using gamification have seen massive jumps in reviews, repeat visits, and also on sales. So let's get started. myCred, most flexible point system. First up is myCred, one of the most popular WordPress gamification plugins used to reward community website users. Think of it as a point system for your website. Members earn points for things like purchases, reviews, referrals, or even watching a video. You can decide what actions earn points, and you can also decide what those points can be used for, maybe in the form of discounts, unlocking content, or climbing a leaderboard. It's perfect if you want full control over how rewards work on your site. GamiPress, points, achievements, and ranks. GamiPress, built specifically around points, achievements, and ranks. Think of it like a game progress system for your website. Members don't just earn points, they unlock achievements as they hit milestones and move up through ranks or levels as they stay active. So instead of just collecting points, members feel like they're actually progressing level by level. This is one of the most powerful and customizable options if you want a structured system where engagement is rewarded step by step. BadgeOS, best for courses and credentials. BadgeOS, best suited if you run an online course or an educational community. It is like a digital badge system for achievements. When a member completes a course, a quiz, or a milestone, they earn a badge. And here's the best part. These badges are portable, meaning members can showcase them even outside your website, like on LinkedIn or their own profile. It's perfect for building credibility and motivation in learning-based communities. WB Gamification, best for community sites. WB Gamification is a free WordPress plugin that adds a complete reward system to your site, points, badges, levels, streaks, and a leaderboard. Here's what that means. Every time a member posts, comments, joins a group, or completes a course, they earn points. Enough points unlock badges. Coming back daily builds a streak, and everyone's progress shows up on a leaderboard. Install it like any normal plugin, no coding needed. It automatically detects what you're already using like BuddyPress, BuddyBoss, WooCommerce, LearnDash, and connects itself. So on a BuddyPress or BuddyBoss site, points and badges show up right inside the activity feed and member profiles. RafflePress, viral contests, and giveaways. Last up is RafflePress. Unlike the other plugins, this one isn't about points or badges. It's about running contests and giveaways. Here's how it works. You create a giveaway, and members get extra entries when they share it on social media or invite their friends. This means every participant brings in new people, and your community grows on its own. This is best suited for brand new communities that need members, fast, contest, or giveaway-driven brands like e-commerce and product-based communities, and existing communities running a launch or seasonal campaign. Gamification isn't just a fun add-on, it directly impacts retention and revenue. When people have something to work toward, a badge, a rank, a leaderboard spot, they come back. And returning members are far more valuable than one-time visitors. We also provide a community website development and consultation services. If you need any help, you can book a free 30-minute consultation call with our experts, or you can also hire us from BuddyDevelopers.com. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.